How to remove nicknames on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove nicknames on Instagram. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Instagram app and click this messages icon over here. Now just open any chat that you want to remove the nickname of, and then you have to click this arrow icon over here on the profile. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page. Now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click this nicknames in the list. First I'm going to add this nickname to this person. Just add a nickname over here and then click done. Now if you want to remove this nickname, you have to follow the same process. Just come to your messages, click the chat, and then you have to click this arrow over here, and then you have to click this nicknames option, and here you have to just choose the nickname of the person that you want to remove. Once you click it, you have to just simply click this cross over here and then click done, and it's going to just remove the nickname on Instagram. And that's how you remove nickname on Instagram. Thanks for watching.